If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance performance. Step 1. Optimize video settings. Go to the Minecraft options menu and adjust the video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and reduce the particles to decrease the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Open the Minecraft launcher and navigate to the Installations tab. Select your profile and click on More Options. In the JVM Arguments field, change the value after XMX to allocate more RAM to Minecraft, ensuring your system has enough available. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help improve performance while playing. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers to improve compatibility and performance with Minecraft. Step 5. Use performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. These mods can provide additional settings and optimizations that can significantly reduce lag and improve frame rates. By following these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your Minecraft gameplay experience. Enjoy your time in the game.